Hey there, data explorers. Welcome back to Data Hub with Dr. A, where we unravel the mysteries of data engineering. I am Ehiva Heroke, and today in our week two adventure, we'll be diving into the key concepts that form backbone of data engineering. So let's demystify the magic behind data. Data engineering might sound like a jumble of complex words, but at its core, it's all about making data work for us. Now, imagine it as the behind the scene hero that takes raw data, transforms it into something useful and powerful. We're talking about things like databases, data pipelines, and so many other key concepts and tools that we'll look at. Now, all of these work together to making sure that information flows smoothly. Now that we have an idea of the overview, let us take a brief look at some of the few key concepts as relates to data engineering. Now let's start from the concept of data pipelines. I think of data pipelines like an automated version or way of automating the flow of data from the data source to its final destination. Now, we will explore how data moves from one place to another efficiently. And we'll do that as we move from videos to videos and on the channel. Then we'll also look at the concept of ETL. ETL simply means extraction, transformation. I don't let this acronym scare you. It's actually like turning raw ingredients into delicious soup. Here we extract data, transform it into useful format, and then load it into our systems. Now, there's also the concept of ELT, which similar to ETL, but it simply means extraction, load, and transformation. So it's similar to ETL, but with a twist. Here we'll first load the raw data into a destination system, then perform transformation within a system. So it's like bringing ingredients straight to the kitchen and then preparing the dish. Databases. What are databases? Databases, these are like organized filing cabinets for our data. So we'll explore different types of databases in the course of our work. We'll explore databases such as relational databases, non-relational databases, also known as NoSQL, and we'll look at the different use cases. Now, there's also the concept of data warehouse. Ever wondered where the organized data that we finish organizing it tends to go? Now that's where data warehousing comes in. It's like a giant library where we store and manage valuable information, often optimized for analytical queries. And there's also the concept of cloud computing. Now imagine having virtual data, virtual computers, virtual computing services at our fingertips. Now, cloud computing provides scalable, on-demand access to computing resources, enabling efficient data storage, processing, and analysis. There is also the concept of SQL, which means structured querying languages. Now, this is a lingua franca for databases. As its name implies, structured querying languages. It allows us to communicate with and manipulate data stored in relational databases, making it crucial skill for data engineers to work, develop, and plan the databases. Now, there's not data engineering without talking about the concept of batch processing and streaming processing. What do they mean? Batch processing involves the process of processing large volumes of data in batches at scheduled intervals. It's like cooking a big pot of stew all at once and serving it in portions over time. So the data is extracted, transformed, and loaded in batches. Batches could be daily, every 30 minutes, every 1 hour, same batches. As against stream processing, now stream processing is like building an ETL pipeline. When the contrast of batch processing, stream processing deals with real-time data. So it's like cooking and serving the dish as soon as it's ready. So as the data comes in, it's transformed, it's loaded immediately. So basically, with stream processing, you can be able to capture data in real time. And why do all these concepts matters? Understanding this concept is like hacking or having the secret code to unlocking the full potential of data. It's not just about knowing what these terms mean, but it's also about learning how they work together to create a seamless data experience. So before we wrap up, let me know in the comment section which data concept you find most intriguing or any questions you have. We are on this learning journey together. Always remember that. Also, I highly recommend that you dive into the book called Fundamentals of Data Engineering. Now, it's important to know that this book was written by Joe Reeves and Matt Houston. I have the physical copy somewhere, but I will share you links to getting the e-copy. You can download them on Amazon, maybe. So yeah, the book you find interesting because the book provides a lot of information about the key fundamentals of data engineering. So it can be a very good book wherever you are, whether you're a beginner, intermediate, advanced data engineer. Get you started in data engineering. So there you have it. We still guide to the ABCs of data engineering. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more data adventures, and I'll catch you in the next video where we'll explore the coolest data tools out there. Until then, stay curious, keep exploring the data universe. Thank you.